What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video. And yes, I am the first non-corporate shill to review, unbox and receive, not in that order, the Honor Magic V purse. Yes, that controversial keynote with the Honor V2 also brought with it the release of the Honor V purse. So I'm going to unbox it, tell you a bit about the specs and give you my first impressions. Just on look. Not a full first impressions, but just on look. Let's go. So, here we go. The Honor Magic V purse. As mentioned, one of the first units to arrive here in the UK. Now, I keep saying this, but I really need to invest in an unboxing knife. Scissors from IKEA will do. I think I'm going to get a Jerry Rig Everything knife. Did you all see the Jerry Rig Everything video about Casetify? Absolute scumbags. On another note, Casetify have reached out to me about sending me cases, but I worked with Pitaka, and Pitaka, in my opinion, do the best. So, yeah, you'll never see me work with Casetify, ever. That's a promise. Anyway, back to this. Honor Magic V purse. Nice white box, as you know who would say. I'm going to put the device to the side just now. Now, I'm interested to know if there's, like, any form of strap with this. The whole... Oh, Jesus, I'm going to put it to the side, but that is thin. The whole point of the V purse, I thought, was that it comes with a strap and you'd rock it. I mean, I would have wore it like a handbag or a purse, but anyway. So, also... oh, now you can see what colour I ordered. I actually forgot which colour I ordered, so it seems like I've gone for a black variant. There's the SIM ejection tool. Now, once I've done the unboxing, I'll throw it back to me in the studio to go over the specs of the device. But in case you're wondering, this is not a flagship spec device, but okay, that's interesting. So like the Huawei XS2, this will kind of clip on, but it doesn't seem to give us much protection, although it is letting you see the screen with a case on. The XS2 had a fully covered screen, so yeah, I think I actually like that. It's giving you some decent protection, I suppose, from the screen. Now, it is important to note this is all screen. It's a wrong word folding device. Rather than open, it kind of closes. Nice hand gestures there. So yes, in the box you get a case, you get USB A to C cable, you get the, I believe, 33 watts charger. So yeah, it's 33 watts charger. So yeah, USB A there. And yeah, that's it. No nice gold strap or anything. What? Right, let's see this device. So yes, I got the black version, which seemed to be the least feminine of them all. Therefore, definitely the most resellable on my channel, as I have about 0.01% of viewers that are female. Oh, yeah. So, I mean, it's exactly like the Huawei Mate XS2 as far as form factor and looks. However, this is 4.3 millimeters thin, unfolded. Where is my V2? Here it is. Here's my Honor Magic V2. Let's do some gymnastics here with the hands. There's the Honor Magic V2 compared to... So yeah, I think the Honor Magic V2 is 4.7 millimeters, and this V purse is 4.3. Now folded, let's just do that for the first time. Let's get that folded. Oh, that is nice. I believe it's meant to be like in the 8s, like 8 point something. And yes, sure enough, you can see, look at that. I mean, yes, my V2, let's just for full comparison take the case off. Come on, there we go. So yeah, there's the comparison. The V2 on the left and the V purse on the right. The V2 is about 0.9 millimeters thicker, I want to say. So yeah, as far as the device itself, as I say, I'll throw it back to show specs, but you've got the dual cameras here, not triple. You've then got the release like you do on the XS2, fairly sturdy hinge, and then the phone opens up. Let's power it on. There will be some juice. Fingerprint sensor on the right hand side. USB-C, as I say, charging. USB-C's here, charging at 33 watts. No wireless charging on this, but there's no wireless charging on this either, so I'm okay with that. Let's throw it back to me. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown on the specs. I have slapped on the case here, and I have to say, compared to the XS2 case, this is far superior. You can still unclip and release the latch and use the phone. So the case still stays on like that, wistful. But when you fold it, which I really like, because there is a feature with the... There we go, so you just use it as a normal screen. But there is a feature to enable this screen on the back. I think that's the whole, like, purse aspect. What I was expecting is some form of connectors to put on a strap. I can't see that. And I can't see any videos because there's very few videos. So hopefully this video gets a lot of traction because there's not many handsome Scottish guys like me talking about it. Now, specs-wise, 6.45 inch, 90 hertz display. I mentioned in the unboxing, this is like an upper mid-tier phone, not an out-and-out flagship like the Honor Magic V2. It's a Snapdragon 778 chip. So think of that in today's money like a Snapdragon, somewhere between like a 888 and an 8 Gen 1. Camera wise, dual, no telephoto lens, 50 megapixel main and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Video recording is 1080p on the front, but because it's a folding phone, you can use the rear cameras to get 4K 30 frames per second video. Battery life, 33 watts charging, no wireless charging. It's a 4,800-ish milliamp hour battery, which again is still pretty impressive to cram that in this device. With the Snapdragon chip, look, like most phones, you're always going to get a day out it. You will not be able to push this to 2 days. Now, as far as other specs, I mean, there's not much more to say. It is an absolutely unique looking device. Yes, it looks like the XS2, but it's thinner and lighter. As mentioned, 4.3 millimeters unfolded, 8.6 millimeters folded. That's insane. And 214 grams total weight. That's wild. This feels light, and this is like 240 grams. So the fact that this is like 25 grams less, yeah, mind-blowing. And I know it's only 90 hertz. To be honest, the difference between 90 and 120, unless you had them side by side, you're never going to notice. So I'm looking forward to using it for a day or so, then I'll give my first impressions. Hopefully you've enjoyed the unboxing and you've not had to listen to any rave music. Do me a favour after this video, type in Honor Magic V Purse, and unless it's those, you know, big YouTubers that review phones but couldn't actually review it because of the embargo and basically just wanted to get clicks from you, it'll all be Chinese unboxings with some form of dance music or rave music in the background. So hopefully you've enjoyed this slightly different unboxing. I will be back with a first impressions video very, very soon. This thing is so fucking light. And until next time,